Megan, I'm so excited. This grill is beautiful and it's coming at the perfect time because we have a barbecue at the end. Oh. But I have to admit, I need to hear about what all this can do.
Yeah. So what's actually great about this initiative and why, Nexgrill actually wants to support Oscar Mike Foundation is that we want to recognize their sacrifices. And we wanted to create a space where our veterans can have a barbecue and share their stories and just help one another and hopefully share some good food as well.
It's been beautiful all week, 70 degrees, and then all of a sudden we get this snow. We have not done a whole lot of outdoor barbecues in the snow, but because of this beautiful grill here and the space that we've got and everything that was made possible here, we're making it work and we're having a great time. So let's get it on.
Our KitchenAid grill comes with these 5 main burners. Along with our 2
Will it teach me how to cook too?
Yes, it'll teach you how to cook. It does everything. So we have our 2 side burners here, which is great for cooking up sauces or any side dishes while you're busy cooking on your main grilling deck, as well as the searing side burner. So that creates that high heat for you to sear your meats, which is quite a nice touch, especially with steaks. So what's nice about this island grill, which is exclusive from Costco, is that it's one of the only island grills that can be bought, transported, assembled, and used within the same day.
That's perfect for TV makeovers.
Yes, exactly.
This kind of quality is what I see on indoor kitchens, and it's amazing, and I know it's going to hold up to the high traffic use of these veterans.
Yes, so I know we're very proud of our KitchenAid grills. I think quality and craftsmanship is something that we're proud of.
So you might have to stick around because we're going to need your expertise.
Okay, great, thanks. I'll definitely stick around.
Yay! Now teach me to cook.
Okay.